Hello everyone, a kitty is trying to ride a bike and today we are going to show you how we can make this kitty on a scooter and it's having a ride. You can just pause the video and follow all these steps carefully. You can make use of the pencil first, after that you can make use of the sketch pen for the perfect outlining, and then once you are done with the painting then you just need to fill it with the colors. We are making here the yellow colored scooty. You can use the red, blue, orange, any color you like. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables that's available in the market. Today we are going to show you how you can make a broccoli out of some colors and the pencils. This one is so good and nice, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Fill it with some of your favorite colors. You can make use of the pencil colors also if you are a beginner. We will now try to make a polar bear. Polar bears are very giant animals and they are usually found in the cold regions and they have white colored fur. Let's try to make it. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 10. Just give it a try. Isn't it so cool? Let's try for the another one. Here we are going to make another cartoon character. This activity is very simple and it's very less time consuming. Best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Then you just need to fill it with, but not to the whole body, but add some patches. We will now try to make a juice bottle and a straw dipped in it. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Then you just need to fill it with some of the colors carefully because they add more beauty to our drawing. Spider-Man is one of the famous cartoon characters in the whole world. It's an international cartoon and today we are going to try to make the Spider-Man of our own using some of the pencils and the markers. Once you are done with the painting, all you just need is some of the bright colors. As we all know that the costume of the Spider-Man is somewhat reddish maroon in color, so here we are going to make use of the reddish maroon color and around the knee areas the blue color. See how we are going to show you. You can make a beautiful ice cream cup in just few easy simple steps. All you just need to follow each step carefully and just pause the video so that you can have a much clearer look. Don't forget to add the further details like we have here created on the strawberry some spines because they are naturally present there. This activity is very simple and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. This drawing is the simplest of all, as here you just need to make some of the twists and the curves wherever required. For this you just need to watch the video carefully so that you can give it a try. Thank you.